Hello and welcome to the virtual classes of Divine Public School, Mohanapur, Gorakhpur for class 4, subject English Literature. Today we will commence our first poem, that is Where Go the Boats, written by Robert Louis Stevenson. Robert Louis Stevenson was a Scottish novelist, writer, and the poet. He wrote very famous poems, and this one is one of that. This poem is about a child that longs for its boat, the one with which children usually play. As the boat moves, the child asks the boat that when will they come back, and he soon realized that it will not come back, and maybe it could be brought ashore by other people or other children. So, students, now open your book, page number 32, poem Where Go the Boats. Let's begin. Dark brown is the river, golden is the sand. It flows along forever, with trees on either hand. Green leaves are floating, castles of the foam, boats of mine are boating. When will all come home? On goes the river, and out past the mill, away down the valley, away down the hill. Away down the river, 100 miles or more, other little children shall bring my boats ashore. Dark brown is the river, golden is the sand. It flows along forever with trees on either hand. Here the poet describes the color of the river is dark brown and the color of sand is golden. It flows along forever. That means the river is flowing forever, always, and with the trees on either side of the, or we can say the both side of the river. You can see the picture. River is there in between and both the side land surface along with the trees. Why the river color is dark brown? Because of mud or soil. And as the river is flowing, mud, soil, sand, everything is flowing as the river flows. Green leaves are floating, castles of the foam, boat of mine are boating, when will all come home? Now, poet describes green leaves are floating. Means if leaves fall down from the tree into the river, that will also flow along with the river. Castles or palace also form bubbles. For example, if castles are made up of sand, what will happen if the water is thrown upon that? Small bubbles will be formed. Boat of mine are boating means boat of the poet or a boy who is sailing the boat in the river. It is also flowing with the flow of the river. After this, the poet is asking, questioning, when will all come home? When they will return back to home. On goes the river and out past the mill, away down the valley, away down the hill. On goes the river. The river is going on. The river is moving, flowing, and with that flow, it passes the mill. Mill means a building or a factory where the people are working. Factory or mill can be of anything. For example, jute mill, cotton mill, or sugar mill. It also passes down the valley and also away down the hill. Away down the river, 100 miles or more, other little children shall bring my boats ashore. Here the poet describes it passes down the other rivers and keep on moving and moving, maybe 100 miles. Here miles means it is a measurement, unit of measurement which measures the length, how much it passes. For example, kilometer, meter, same way river passes through the miles. It can be 100 miles or more than that. That means river is moving, flowing up to far distance. And poet in the second stanza itself asked when they will come back home. But now poet is replying that the river flows far distance or it goes beyond. So maybe some other children might be took the boat and brought it near the land surface. The other little children shall bring my boat ashore. Maybe some other children they got those boat and they took and brought it to the land surface. So student, this was the poem Where Go the Boats, written by Robert Louis Stevenson. The poet is asking when he was sailing the boat when it will come back or where go the boats. At last poet himself replied maybe other little children who got the boat they maybe brought that boat ashore. They maybe brought all the boats to the land. Now it's time for difficult words. Brown, golden, castles, floating, mill, valley, miles, forever, boating, 100, children, assure. Time for an activity. Make a paper boat with waste or used paper. You can take newspaper also and keep it safe with you till the rainy season comes. That means prepare the boat and wait for the rainy season to sail your boat. Home assignment. Read and learn the poem. Learn difficult words. Do your activity as instructions given. Students, stay safe. Thank you.